Hi everyone. Today we're going to take a look at a new subscription box for clothing. It is a company out of Dallas and they have stylists putting together about 5 to 6 full outfits, including jewelry from name brands that are recognizable if you shop, say, at Nordstrom's. And I chose this particular box to replace the Nordstrom Trunk Club boxes that are closing down this month. I have one more Trunk Club video that I'm going to share with you. I'm excited about this box. There are a few different quirks about it that you will not see on Trunk Club that you will see in this. I feel like the relationship with the stylist is much more intimate. You actually get their phone number and you get to talk to them or text with them. However it is that you feel more comfortable communicating, you actually are talking to a human being on the other side, and you get to work with one stylist instead of whoever it is that decided to put your trunk together that month from Trunk Club. So I love that aspect of it. I think your stylist will really get to know you if you create a long-term relationship. Like any other box, the first ones are usually a little hit and miss because the sizing of the brands are slightly different. So we'll see what happens there. I love it how they send the outfits, whereas Trunk Club just had little packets full of different pieces, and then you had like an app that showed you which outfits went together. FrontDoor Fashion hangs each outfit together, including the jewelry and accessories, all together into little hangers, which is super cute. And they make different collections. Like I think I have 4 different collections, and these are like pieces that can be interchanged, but there was an idea behind the stylists putting together those looks for you. So I really appreciate that as well. The return process is really simple and very similar. They don't schedule a pickup. You actually have to take it to whatever carrier they have on your list. For me, it's FedEx. So I have to drop off the box at FedEx. How do you pay for it? There's not a styling fee like you have in other boxes, but you do have a deposit. You will be charged $100 to your credit card while you have the pieces, and you have 5 to 6 full outfits. So there's a lot of merchandise that's coming to your house. So I think it's fair for them to hold the $100 while you decide what to do with the clothes. They do have some sort of a membership thing where the more pieces you buy, the more perks you get, and you get an extra $20 for if you keep 5 pieces or something like that. So that can grow with time and use. I will try to stay with this company for a little while. I'm running out of closet space because I keep buying everything that comes this way. This is my very first trunk, so buyers beware. Nothing is gonna fit exactly as I would expect because it's the first trunk. But you get to do lots of feedback so that future trunks will work better for you. And also it's on demand. You don't have to ask for a trunk every month. You just click on I want a trunk now or send me a trunk, and somebody will put it together for you. There is no preview, whereas Nordstrom Trunk Club, you actually did have a preview. You do get previews, or did, and you could swap clothing. But here the selection is so vast that you're likely to find something that you really want and like. So I'm pretty happy with the idea. So let's see what the products really look like. So the first thing I noticed is super cute. They will place the entire outfit, including the little bag with the jewelry, in to one umbrella and hang it ready to go. Quite nice and thoughtful. So for the first outfit, she said it is black casual pant with sand flutter sleeve blouse, block layered necklace, pairs beautifully with summer sandals or low edges. So I decided to just wear it with my Sam Edelman sandals that I've been wearing all summer long. I'll put a link for those sandals in the description. However, the pants that she sent me, and again, you should expect that on your first order, they're like linen pants, black, but they did not fit me at all. So I'm thinking this brand, I will need a bigger size for that brand. I think I would have enjoyed these pants very much. Even though they're black, they would be cool enough for the summer. Instead, I just put some jeans on, black jeans, to kind of give you an idea. I don't like the short top. It just makes me feel uncomfortable because of my age. Can't lift my arms and I'm afraid my belly would show. Alright, for this second outfit, I totally loved it. She knew I liked Ruana's, and I think this one is just fabulous. So pretty, so light, and it has a little bit of color to it. Just enough to make it interesting. And she sent it to be worn with these lovely earrings, which I'm not going to put them on because they are $78. And so I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep them. And I didn't want to wear them if I wasn't going to keep them. But if I buy the Ruana, I'm buying the earrings. The pants are super comfy. They're just green pants, more like a sage pair of pants, and the t-shirt is a little tight, so I'll be sending that back, but it's nice and light. She is from Dallas, so she knows how hot our weather is here in Houston. Now for this next outfit, I got a neon green puff sleeve Vince Camuto top, which is lovely. And she paired it with black jeans that are frayed at the bottom and super cute, summer-like black jeans. Adorable. I think I would wear them with my black espadrilles, but I didn't have time to put it on. She sent me this gorgeous belt, but it's a little too small. But that's the look that I received, and I'm just gonna show it without shoes or any extras. Now this top here is just so pretty. It gives me some French seaside vibes. I really like the pinstripe, and she sent it to be worn with the black pants, but she also mentioned that it would look great with white jeans or the green pants that she had sent as well. However, I think it's little too tight on me. I think overall, maybe I grew. It feels a little tight right on my arms, which is not a big issue, but I also feel like it's not very flattering up here. So maybe a different bra. I will probably try that at another time, but we're about to leave, so I have to stop this now.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Next collection is called the dark jean collection, and I did request dark jeans. It's my preference just because I have wider hips and it's just more slendering. She sent me a pair of dark jeans that are kind of frayed and it's got little holes in them, very casual for summer, and a couple of tops. The very first top is like this silky handkerchief looking top. It crosses in the back, crosses over, and I could shorten it or lengthen it. I think I would lengthen it a little bit just to give me more room over here. You do have to wear it with a strapless bra. She sent this little filigree bracelet, which I think goes lovely with the print on the top, and the print is very sophisticated. I really enjoy it. Also a green belt, which I prefer wearing this top without the belt. I styled it with my shoes and my JJ Winters, and I would think of this as more of an evening look for a vacation. It's something, you know, still very casual and cool, but you can go out to dinner wearing this and it would be super lovely. I do have this fantastic handmade crystal bracelet that I bought at a local boutique, and I think it goes so well with this top. Just the colors and the style, it's just lovely, so I would probably wear this. For this collection, she also mentioned the sage pants that I wore earlier today and mixing and matching those, as well as the beautiful earrings that I'm seriously considering. I wish they were on sale. $78 is just too much for my budget right now, unless that's all I'm gonna keep, so we'll see. And here is the Trina Turk top, like an ecru color, and it's just lovely. I love this brand. Unfortunately, I don't love the prices. And it's just a very simple look cut, and it goes great with the pants. I don't think I need anything else, just this, and I'd be super happy. This top also has a very gentle shoulder pads, but they're very thin, just enough to give it a little structure. Love it. Now, I know what I'm gonna keep because I just love this necklace. It is fantastic and it will elevate any outfit of any color this summer. So I'm looking forward to wearing it this summer with the really basic pieces. This outfit, it's called the Perfect Pant Collection. These are the perfect summer pants. Just beautiful white linen with a lovely detail of a split right down the center. Combined it with this very soft and hefty t-shirt that really clings to your body, but in a good way. I think this outfit would look especially sweet if I had pointy slingbacks. I don't, so I just wore black sandals, but take a look. right, and then for the grand finale, she sent me a pop of pink. It is a maxi dress that I decided to wear with my gorgeous turquoise necklace that I'm definitely keeping. I also wore it with espadrilles and my little bamboo purse. I think it would be a fun summer weekend, just go around town kind of outfit. If I were to keep this dress, I would have to fix this little strap, but that's an easy fix. And the dress has pockets, so you can't ask for more. I think the dress and my blue contact lenses look fabulous together. I think Bethany did an amazing job at getting my first box together, and I really wanted to thank her for working so hard and putting so much effort into it. Thank you, Bethany. At the end of my little letter, Bethany added a little note saying don't forget to go online, and she has added shoe suggestions for my outfits. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to trying my next trunk already. But if you guys decide to try it, there will be a link on the description. You might be able to get a discount, and I might be able to get notes or something, so that the more you guys get, the more I'll be able to keep too. Yay! Have a good one.